Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to report fraud on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter my eBay section at the bottom side of your screen and then find purchases. So here, as you can see, I don't have any purchases, but anyway, I will guide you through the process, and I'm convinced that you can do this. Here find the item where you suspect fraud and tap on it to open the details of this item, and then tap the More Actions button. It usually looks like 3 dots. Then from the menu you need to tap Report Item and now choose the reason that best matches your situation, like suspected fraud or, for example, item not as described. It depends on your, of course, situation. Then write a short and clear description of the problem, so basically explain your problem and submit it. But if you think that the issue is even bigger, like a completely fake seller, or for example when a scammer trying to get payment outside the eBay, you need to again tap My eBay, scroll down and tap Help. In the search bar, type here Report Fraud and follow the prompts. And then you can start a live chat with eBay security team, or you can request a callback if you want someone to walk you through it. And if you already paid for the item and you think you have been scammed, also open a case through Resolution Center inside the application to get your money back under the eBay money back guarantee. So that's how you can report a fraud on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.